So today I'm going to be dashing out secrets about clove leaf, how you can use it and how it can benefit you as a woman. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. Welcome back to another video, another vibe of video. You know the jerk already. In today's video, I'm just going to be addressing a message sent to me on my last video. A lady actually sent me a message or leave a comment in the comment section, but I actually took the lady off YouTube and start chatting with her on my WhatsApp. So she actually opened up and told me that her boyfriend is accusing her. Is he her husband? Is he her boyfriend or her husband? I cannot remember, but if I see the message, I'm going to leave the message here so that you people would see. I'm not going to put the name or the picture of that person, just this, the screenshot of the message, so that I will keep the identity of the person that sent me the message. So I'm just going to show you only the message so that if you fall into this category, you know what to do. All right, so this lady said her boyfriend or her husband, whichever, she said her boyfriend is suspecting her because she has a wide VJ, just because, you know, there's some women when they are wet that their VJ tends to be wide, and this lady actually fall into that category, that the muscle is not pulling together. The muscle of a VJ is not pulling things together, if you know what I mean. This happened, okay, but and I know this kind of situation do make some ladies feel inferior or insecure, but today I am bringing a good news for you. I have a remedy of which you can use to tighten up the muscle of your VJ area, and if your VJ area is like this before, after using today's recipe, your VJ will be as close as this, if you know what I mean. If you're a lady, you know what I mean. And if this happens, you know your husband will typically worship you. You know, men are moved by what they can feel. If you get that logic, you know the jerk already. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you the power of clove. If you don't know, I'm going to tell you how it works, what and what you can put together at your convenience to tighten up the muscle of your VJ area. And this information will actually benefit you if you fall into the category of people who don't like using already made Kayanmata products. This recipe is very, very good for you because they have herbs. These two ingredients I'm going to be using for this remedy is herbs, okay, and you can typically buy it yourself and do it by yourself at your convenience in your kitchen. And trust me, you are going to thank me later on this, because this remedy, this DIY is very, very effective and you are going to like it. And after using it the way I have shown you in this video, please guys, I want you to come back to this particular video and tell me how it works. And hear this guys, note this remedy is not magic, okay? It is not what you will use in one day and you will see effect. You have to use it consistently before you can see the effect. And if you want sharp results, you can opt in for Kayanmata. Go and buy already made Kayanmata. Maybe in my next video I'm going to be showing you different tighteners, already made tighteners we have, which will work for you in less than 24 hours guys. Watch out for my next video so that you know, that is the difference. These herbs will take time to work. Already made Kayanmata will work almost immediately, okay, because those already made Kayanmata is equipped with many herbs mixed together. If you are a professional, you know this. Okay, let's just concentrate on today's video. So guys, this is one of the ingredients you need for this DIY, okay, and this is clove leaf, okay. If you don't know already, if you don't know the jerk, let me just tell you, clove leaf is a natural tightener for ladies. Don't joke with clove leaf, all right? So you need clove leaf, Then, and also you need a Lipton like this. This is top tea. You can decide not to use this Lipton, but I like to use it just for it to have more taste in my mouth. Okay, you just need only 2 herbs for this DIY. The third ingredient you are going to be working with is hot water. Make sure you have a very hot water that is boiling water. Okay, then you pour all these ingredients into a cup, a mug, whatever that can accommodate hot water. Pour the hot water into the cup and let these herbs infuse in the water. You will see that the color of the water will begin to change, and after it you can zip it bit by bit if it is hot, and you can also leave it till it cools down, then you drink it every day. Okay, this is 100% safe and 100% organic. As you can see, Lipton is herbs, and also dried clove leaf is also herbs. Okay, this will actually tighten up the muscle of your VJ. Every sagged VJ will be tightened up with close up, and after this you are going to thank me later. Okay, you will feel more secure. You will feel more secure in your relationship if you fall under the category of girls their partner do normally accuse them of not being faithful because of their sakpuna. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video, and I hope this video is informative. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like, make sure you share, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.